Employee documentation and engagement can be difficult in your service-based business, but with the headquarters software, we can help you with that. You can simply add your employees to your list here into the database with their information. They can request time offs right through the system here so that you can document those, and you'll never have the problem again of an employee coming to you saying, hey, I asked for tomorrow off, and you don't remember it, or maybe they didn't even do that. Have them documented it right in the system. You can have them submit reports right through the system here as well as SMS message them if anything needs to be documented with everything there. You can go into an employee, you can see their information, you can add an emergency contact, you can add their birth date so it always shows up in the schedule so you're not going to miss a birth date again. You can then go to details and add a profile. This is what they are going to be making for the year with different profiles. You can have different wages. For example, if your employee works during the summer as a design build foreman, but in the winter they're doing snow plowing and they get paid different rates, you can set up different profiles for that. You can add notes on those employees. You can see the projects that they've done. They can even sign off on policies. So this could be a company-wide policy. This could be an employee handbook. They can go in and view it. They can see everything there. They can click to download it, and they can go to the questionnaire. And we have forms set up in the system so that they can say, did you read and understand the policy? Yes, they have to sign off on it and accept it and submit it. Once they've done that, we have a submissions tab in the forms. You can see all the employees that have actually signed off on that policy and have their signature documented for that. We also have chat groups enabled. You can create your own chat groups for a company-wide chat or specific divisions within your business. We'll also create an automated chat group with the name of the project as well as any employees that have user accounts that are assigned to that project, so you can keep track of any information that needs to be kept track of throughout that project and have one centralized location for communication. Same thing with clocking in and clocking out. We can choose a project, we can clock in, and the employees can have a form tied to their clock in so that they have to fill out that form before they start working, such as checking equipment, doing safety talks. Did you do it? Yes, yes. Add your signature, accept, submit. This could be a good cover your butt situation where if somebody does get hurt on the job site, you could have a safety form before that happens so that you have documentation that the safety hazards were documented or checked on the site and everybody knew about them. So you can have a little bit of documentation there if that was to ever happen, or just maintaining equipment every single day. All those safety checks will show up here and you can see our signature there. We also have courses available. This is for hardscape business owners. We have interlocking concrete pavement, segmental retaining wall, hardscape lighting, gas fire feature courses, and these all come with certificates of completion once they have completed them. You can also add quizzes at each lesson level or the very end lesson for your employees to complete, but you can also create your own courses. Think safety training courses. You can see here that we have a sun exposure module, and that has 2 lessons in it: sun safety and heat exhaustion versus heat stroke. We can also have a quiz, like I said, tied to it. This is just a test quiz. We can add our answers so that the employees, when we enroll them in under enrollments, we add new, we choose the course that we're going to assign to them and the employee we're going to be assigning them to. And there we go. We have this employee that went through the safety training course. At any point, they can click go if they haven't started it, and they can download their certificate that they've completed, and we can see any submitted quizzes and their marks associated with that. This is a good way to do ongoing training for employees, onboarding, or getting them ready to use a specific piece of equipment. You can also see in the courses tab, we have a list of YouTube videos and courses with modules and lessons that you can create yourself for your own business if it is applicable. For example, how to safely maintain and operate a cutoff saw, a good lesson to do and have them documented that they watched it and maybe even completed a quiz before they actually start to use that piece of equipment in the field. And our installation training courses are also good to assign to employees that are wanting to move from an entry-level role into a lead hand role. Assign them the courses. The interlocking concrete pavement course is 3 hours. The segmental retaining wall course is 3 hours. Have them go through it, and there's a quiz at the end for them to take with a certificate of completion to show you that they're ready to be tested in the field to step up in that lead hand role. We also have an announcements tab that you can add a company-wide announcements to all users. This could be something like a Christmas party. Where should we go? A steakhouse or event. They can vote in the poll. They can also like. You can see who's actually liked it. You can see who's viewed it of all your users, and they can actually comment and add emojis to it. This could also be something like, we just updated our company policy. I need you to go in and sign off on those policies. And these are just some of our many tools that we have available for employee engagement in your business. If you want to learn more about all of our features, go to hthheadquarters.com. Check out all of our features with video there that help streamline processes in your business, and book a demo with us today.